Kayla. This is my bus. It is a 2015 Chevy named Lokee-Crystal Skies, and I can give you a quick tour.
Okay.
All right, so I'm still in the process of still working on it. So
gotta meet the security guy first.
Yes, that's Ella. So still in the process. I need to work on plumbing and electrical is usually the biggest component of getting everything kind of done, but got stuff in here. So the kitchen will be over here. I'll have a sink and then all of my cabinetry for pots and pans and everything. This right now is just slats. It'll eventually be a bench, and then I'll do the pull-out L couch right here, and then just another countertop with my mini fridge. This is going to be the shower bathroom combo. So I have a compost toilet in there, and nice, actually decent area for a shower. I really like it. And then my bed, did the file cabinet, so tons of storage for all of my clothes. And then yeah, the bed's super comfy. I love the big door, so I can kind of look out and get a nice good breeze in here.
Have that Instagram view.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, this back window opens up too, which I just love, and hopefully one day I'll be, you know, backed into a beach somewhere and get to enjoy everything while I wake up.
Now, do you have a water tank yet, or?
Yes, I have it in here. It's a 42-gallon water tank. I just got to get it hooked up. I have the gray water tank mounted underneath. We just need to connect all the pieces into it. So yeah, yeah, that'll be fun. Plumbing's not as terrifying as the electrical part, but it's cool being up here around other schoolies where we can kind of piece together kind of the things we don't know.
Electric and plumbing are similar. That's how I learned. I learned plumbing as a young child under a sink with my dad. But if you think of electric and the plumbing, okay, you got the water line coming in, that's power. Your faucet, that's the light bulb or whatever.
Yeah.
The drain is the ground that goes back.
Perfect.
Difference is that if you mess up plumbing, you got to mop up the floor. If you mess up electric, it tends to get a little bit painful. But yeah, that's, just think of it that way.
Yeah.
It's a very simplified version of what they are.
Yeah. So you can come by and help me with plumbing and electrical.
I've been known to do that. If we cross paths, I mean, I'll be out in the desert. So.
Hey, I mean, when it's cold, I don't plan to be in here when it's freezing. So definitely we'll head south.
Are you full time yet? Or?
Nope. Still have a place that I stay at and then come and convert and stuff. So yeah, once I, you know, get those few pieces, like nothing has to be completely finished before I want to hit the road. But
sure.
I definitely would like the shower and power for travel nursing, so that would make it a lot easier. But yeah, we'll just kind of run with it.
Now, do you have any social media things if people wanted to get a hold of you? And
yeah, it's and I have it was awesome getting the Instagram stickers and stuff. So it's Lokee, and it's LOKEE, and then _ Crystal Skies.
Okay, well, thank you.
Awesome.
And
yes,
I look forward to crossing paths again and see what you've done.
Oh my goodness, yes, I'm excited for that part of reconnecting with everyone that I met. Yep. So
that's what's great with this kind of gathering.
It really is, and it's like I know saying goodbye, like I know I really am going to run into them. Yep. So that part's amazing.
Oh, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.